Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, click to start, then click on setting. After that, click on system, then power and battery, then power mode. Then guys, just click on best power efficiency, both. Okay, and then close it. Next guys, second method, always set your brightness 40 to 60 and keep off your keyboard RGB light. Okay, the next method, click to start and type task manager, run as administrator. You can just right click to run as administrator. Okay, then guys, click on startup app. You can see here. Okay, so which app you did not require when your system restart? So just select this and disable. Like Copilot is already disable it. Okay, and this is a driver. This is actually required. Microsoft Copilot 365. This is also not required when system restart. Microsoft Team also, OneDrive also. So OneDrive also not required, but you have to sync for purpose. You can see this is required. Okay, and this is Xbox also not required. This is actually disabled. Okay, so this is you just like I show you like this is now enable it. You just select on this applications which is not required in this startup app. You select, otherwise you right click to disable. Okay, you can see, and when you enable it you can right click to enable it. Okay, close it, because when your system it will start now, so this software also start at the same time. So very energy and high RAM and processor required this. Okay, so close it. Next, click on start, go to setting, then system, power and battery. So you can see here the battery uses. So click on it. Then you can select the last 7 days when you're getting this issue. Okay. So after that, when you click, suppose last second last day. Okay. So you can see here the applications which take more than battery 60 for 61 and all you can see. So if can get in the malicious activity, if viruses and malware, so immediately you just go to and right click to uninstall it. Okay, yeah. Suppose I show you one. Suppose you can see the Microsoft. Okay, just click and manage the background. You just select the never it. Okay. So final guys, then close it, and then last and final method. Click on start, then type CMD, run as administrator, right click to, after that click on yes. Then this 4 command I will give you in the descriptions. This is most important for the resolve the issue. Just copy and type it. If it is not copy, so you have to type to manual. So this is first command, and all the 100% completed. After that, try next command. So it is completed. Then next, first, second, third, and fourth. So one by one, try it. So if it is stuck, so you just click here and then type enter. Okay, and then restart your system and then check it.